Welcome to Navnirmiti Eduquality. We are engaged in production of activity-based learning kits for mathematics. Let's take a look at the concepts that we are going to cover in this video. Fractions operations. Fraction addition. Let's take 1/4 piece of a whole and add it with 1/4. We know that addition is simply joining. So we get 2 pieces of 1/4, which we can call as 2/4. Let's find an equivalent to 2/4. Let's compare it with half. So here we can see that 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4, which is also equal to half. Fraction subtraction. Let's subtract 3/5 from 4/5. For this, we take 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces of 1/5. We know that to subtract is to remove. Remove 3 pieces of 1/5 from 4 pieces of 1/5. What is left is 1/5. Multiplying fractions by whole numbers. Let's multiply 1/6 of a whole with a whole number 3. We know that multiplication is simply repeated addition. It also means that we can take 1/6 3 times. So the product of 1/6 to 3 is 3/6. Let's find an equivalent fraction to it. Yes, as we can see that the equivalent fraction to 3/6 is 1/2 or half. Thus, the product of 1/6 to 3 is 3/6 or half. Fraction division. Let's take the whole and divide it by 2. We have to divide the whole among 2, which means that we have to make 2 parts of a whole. Here we can say that a whole is getting divided among 2, which means that each will get half part of a whole. Let's take half part of a whole and divide it by 2. It means that we have to make 2 parts of a half. Here we can see that half divided among 2 will give us 1/4. This time, let's divide half by 1/4. Let's observe how many pieces of 1/4 would we need to make a half. 1 and 2. Thus we can say that half divided by 1/4 will give us 2. Let's check for 1/6. Let's divide half by 1/6. Here we'll see how many pieces of 1/6 do we need to make a half. Let's count 1, 2 and 3. So half divided by 1/6 is 3. Let's do the reverse this time. Let's divide half by 3. Means that we have to make 3 parts of a half. Here we can see that the half is getting divided among 3, which means each will get 1/6 part. This time, let's divide the whole by 1/8. Observe carefully how many pieces of 1/8 would we need to make a whole. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 divided by 1/8 is 8.